Hey there, Greg Marchand here, clean your shop. No, just kidding. Look, here's the thing. A clean workplace is a productive workplace because we're not stepping over stuff, we're not slipping and sliding on stuff, we're not losing as much stuff. It's a place where people want to come to work. It's a place where you're not embarrassed to have the customers walk out and take a look at their car, because when they walk out in that shop and it's clean and organized, they go, holy smokes, look at this place. A clean, organized shop sends a message not just to your existing employees, but to your customers and to your future employees. So what can you do today to maintain, and I mean maintain consistently, a clean and organized shop? Click that subscribe button, reach out to me if you need help, keep up the great work, and never, ever, ever stop learning.